Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create moving text in CapCut PC. For example, select your clip and just select text to add the text. So you can select the bold tag, you can select a text effect, you can select text template, and yeah, as you like. For example, I'm going to custom text, so just select the bold text, change for the text, and you can change for the font style, font color, and font size. So after done, if you want to make the moving text, you can scroll to the right, scroll down, and you can find the position and size, and then at right you can see a keyframe button. Just click on it to add the keyframe and swipe to the right on the clip and change for the position of the text. You can resize also. So do as before until the end of the video. So on. Alright. So you can see for the final result. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.